Ever wonder how some students seem to tackle tough test questions with confidence, even when the clock is ticking down? It is not magic. It is often about mastering the tools available to them, and one of the most underutilized tools is right there on your desk. Using scratch paper effectively on tests is all about transforming it into an active workspace for your brain, helping you organize thoughts, prevent errors, and confidently solve problems. Think of it as your personal strategy board for test success. The power of scratch paper lies in externalizing your thinking. When you move information from your head onto paper, you free up valuable working memory. This reduces cognitive load, allowing your brain to focus on problem solving rather than trying to juggle multiple pieces of information at once. It creates a physical record of your mental process. Start by using scratch paper for an initial brain dump. As soon as you begin the test, jot down any formulas, key facts, or memory aids that you are worried about forgetting. For complex problems, break them down into smaller, manageable steps on the paper. Label each step clearly to avoid getting lost. Draw diagrams, graphs, or quick sketches to visualize abstract concepts, especially in subjects like math or science. For multiple choice questions, use the paper to eliminate incorrect answers, writing down the letters you have ruled out. Always use it to double-check your work, especially calculations, by resolving or retracing your steps before transferring your final answer. This strategic use of scratch paper is a skill that improves significantly with practice, much like any other test-taking strategy. It is not just about having the paper there, but consciously employing it as an extension of your problem-solving process. Mastering this technique can give you a significant advantage, particularly on high-stakes exams. By consistently turning your scratch paper into a dynamic tool, you are not just jotting things down, you are actively managing your cognitive resources, minimizing careless mistakes, and building a clear, verifiable path to the correct answer. This systematic approach will empower you to approach any test with greater clarity and a much higher chance of achieving your best possible score.